Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we have seen about the scoped styles and all those things, right? Now in this video, we will try to see about the slots concept in the components. Just like in the Angular, we have ng content, right? So same scenario, we'll be having slot concept in the Vue.js, but somewhat advanced, we'll be having this. So let's try to see the slots concept in this Vue.js. For example, I will show it in a simple example where the slots will be useful in the Vue.js. Okay, before continuing to this video, if you are coming first time to here, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Okay. Now coming to this video, here this is a new project. Okay, Vue 3 slots. I have created a new project using the Vue CLI. Now what I will try to do is I will try to add the bootstrap. Now if you go here, I will try to add the bootstrap. Let's go where it will be the bootstrap. Okay, let's open the bootstrap here. Get bootstrap, and here sorry, go to the get down. Okay, now here I would be having what I can say again started, and here I will be having, so I will copy this one, so I pasted the bootstrap. Now let's go here, the same project. So the bare structure will be something like app.view you will be having, and here they will be giving the hello world component. Now what I will try to do is I have a requirement something like I need to show a button. Okay, so how could I show a button here? So I'll be having one div. Here I can write one div like this, and what I can do, I can write ahref is equal to the user profile or something like this. Okay, and the design will be something like class btn hyphen primary, and I need to have another button something like same button, or name will be different something like user data. Okay, I'm having two buttons like this. The same scenario, the same structure, I need to have button something like in the components hello world also. What I will try to do is I will try to delete all the HTML template what they will be giving to us defaultly, and here I will try to add like this. Okay, now I will try to remove this one also. So here I will be writing a name that hello world. These are the three buttons what I would be trying to create. Now if I try to see the output here, now I will be getting the three buttons like this: hello world, user profile, and user data. Fine, up to here it is fine. Now the client asks us the requirement that change these all the buttons colors to some yellow or some color. Then what I need to do, I need to again search for all the buttons and I need to change it to some other color. So here I need to change it, and here I need to change it, and again we need to change it here also. So three places I will be changing. So if any one place if I forgot means, then we will be getting a bug. So if this one is a small project, we know that in three places we are using this button, we easily change it. Tomorrow you will be having very big project, you don't know where you are using this button, and you need to change each and every place means, then it will be very difficult. Then the solution for this one is, what I can do is I will create a simply one component, the name button.view. Okay, and here in this one I can write template, and I can write here div, and I can write here the href class is equal to btn hyphen primary. Okay, and here I can write for the time being user profile. This is the component, and I will be writing the script here. So here I can do export default like this. So right now I don't have any data, so this is the same simple component. What I need to do, so here I need to import this component, import button from, so button.view. Okay, and now what I need to do, I need to add it in the component section, components. So let's add the button, and here I can remove these all the things, and I can directly add the button button component like this. The same scenario, go to this app and do the same thing, import button from, sorry, components slash, you'll be having button.view. So in the same scenario we have the button here, and let's declare this one in the component section. Now fine, and I can remove this one all, and I can change it to button, and here also I can change it to button. Sorry, I can change it to button. Okay, so now if I try to check the output here, immediately everything is changed. Okay, so this one is coming. Yeah, now everything is changed. But here the problem what we got it, the name of this one is all are same. We need to change the name. We need to give our custom name. How can we know? How can we change here? So we can give something like, we can send the props. Okay, name is equal to, here I can send user profile. So this is the requirement. Okay, name is equal to user data. So these are all the brush up, something like that only. So what we have did like that. So now name is equal to, here I will send the hello world. Now what I will try to do in the button, can take it as a props, that name. Okay, that is not it. What I can say, non-property attributes. It is not non-property attributes. It is a prop. If I mention here in the props, it is a property prop. Now here I can write it something like name. Now if I try to see the refresh this one, so now everything is changing. If I want to add the gap also, I can simply write here. So my-3. So every button will have a gap. Okay, now if the client asks to change the colors for all those things, I can immediately change within no time. Okay, so if you want to write the custom CSS also, I can write here style scope, so I can do it. Now up to here is fine. So then what is the use of slots then? So slots, when it will be useful is, for example, see, now the client asked us, you need to add some HTML data before this one. Okay, so whatever the HTML data, I will each button will be having separate HTML data. For example, see, here we have a font awesome. So let me copy this font awesome. Okay, so I have copied this font awesome, and I will go and paste it here in the font awesome. Okay, now the people will say, now the guys, the requirement is, each button will have its own icon. Okay, I need to keep the icon. Each button is to have its own icon. For example, see here in the button.view, I can directly add em class is equal to, okay, fa hyphen user. I can add it directly like this. Now if you add directly like this, then what is happening here? For example, see, if you see the output, for each button you will be getting the user thing. So it should not happen like this. I will send my custom own icon. Okay, HTML thing, whatever the icon or HTML anything, it should be applied that it should be applied to that component. Okay, to that button. So then how can I send? I can't send like this the props into this one, props like this. Okay, I can't send the HTML em class is equal to like this. I cannot send. Why? Because it is not a valid. You will be getting an error. Then how can I do this one? So now in this scenario, the props will plays a major role. So I can remove the props here. Okay, I can remove the props here, and I can write in between this one whatever the HTML I want. I can write. For example, here I can write fa hyphen caret hyphen down or something like this. Whatever the thing you want, you can write, and here you can give a gap. And if you want, you can give something like user profile. So whatever the HTML data I am writing in between this component, it should be displayed there. Okay, here also I will copy this one, and here I will keep it as up. Okay, and I can write it something like user data or something, the button name. And here what I can do, here I can take index.html, sorry, in the hello world, same scenario, I can remove these props. I can write the code here. Em class is equal to fa hyphen user. Okay, I will write user here. So ampersand nbsp hello world. So I will be writing the em here. Now if I try to check the output, okay, now nothing is displayed here. Now what I will try to do here in the button.view, now I need to remove this all the code. Okay, so why? Because the HTML should be defined from there. Now in between this anchor link, I need to write the HTML, whatever the HTML content they have written in between this component. I need to simply literally paste in the between the href anchor link. Okay, how can I paste? So now we can paste this one using the slot. Okay, if you mention slot here, it's a special element in the special tag in the Vue.js. If you mention slot here, whatever the HTML data you are writing in this component, okay, it simply comes and pastes it here. same like the ng content. Okay. It simply comes and paste it here. If you try to see, if you try to refresh the code, see, you're able to see that user for this one, it is having down arrow, up arrow you are having. So by using the slot concept, so whatever the HTML data that is defined in between the component, you can simply paste it in between the slot where it simply comes and paste it here wherever the slot tag is mentioned. Okay, so this is how we will be using the slots. This is how slots will be more useful. So coming to the props and slots also, you understood the difference, right? So this is how where it will be very useful for pasting the enter content coming from the component. Okay, if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.